Vivo Drone Camera Phone. Imagine a phone that lets its camera fly. Yes, you heard that right. Vivo has just redefined what a smartphone can do. This device is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in mobile photography and innovation. Today, we're going to take you through every aspect of this stunning device, from design and performance to its incredible drone camera system. So, stay tuned till the end because the Vivo Drone Camera Phone might just change how we look at smartphones forever. Let's begin with point number 1, design and build quality. Vivo has always been known for its elegant and futuristic designs, but this time, they've taken it to another level. The Vivo Drone Camera Phone features an ultra-premium aluminum titanium chassis with a ceramic matte finish that not only looks luxurious but feels featherlight in the hand. What makes this design truly unique is how seamlessly the drone module integrates into the phone's body. When not in use, the camera sits flush within the back panel, maintaining a sleek and modern look. But when activated, the camera module lifts and deploys into a mini drone that can hover independently. The precision-engineered mechanical bay opens with smooth robotic motion, giving it a sci-fi touch. The edges are slightly curved for better ergonomics, and Vivo's design team has ensured that the phone remains thin even with this complex mechanism. The build feels durable and futuristic, with a Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection on both sides and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. The entire design speaks of innovation and craftsmanship, proving Vivo's determination to push boundaries in mobile technology. Now, let's move on to point number 2, display. The Vivo Drone Camera Phone offers a cinematic experience like no other. It features a 6.9-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 144 Hz and HDR10+ support. The colors pop with breathtaking vibrancy, and the contrast ratio ensures true blacks and rich tones. Whether you're gaming, editing drone footage, or simply watching your favorite content, this display offers a visual feast. The ultra-narrow bezels and edge-to-edge screen provide an immersive viewing experience that feels limitless. The screen also boasts adaptive brightness technology that adjusts intelligently depending on lighting conditions, ensuring visibility even under direct sunlight. Vivo's new Vision Boost algorithm enhances video quality frame by frame, bringing clarity and depth to every visual. The in-display fingerprint scanner is lightning fast, while the front glass feels incredibly smooth and resistant to fingerprints. Every swipe, tap, and scroll feels like silk. For creators and photographers, this screen becomes a digital canvas that showcases every detail captured by that revolutionary drone camera. Next, we dive into point number 3, performance. Under the hood, the Vivo Drone Camera Phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. This powerhouse setup ensures unmatched speed and responsiveness. Whether you're multitasking between heavy apps, rendering high-resolution drone videos, or playing graphically demanding games, the phone handles it all effortlessly. The new AI-assisted cooling system keeps the temperature under control even during intensive use. The performance feels buttery smooth thanks to the new Vivo V engine optimization layer, which reduces latency and boosts energy efficiency. The phone also features a dedicated drone control chip that manages the drone's flight stabilization, positioning, and return-to-home functions without taxing the main processor. Vivo's collaboration with Qualcomm has resulted in a performance package that's as intelligent as it is powerful. The transitions are fluid, app launches are instant, and even AI-based editing or 8K video rendering feels surprisingly fast. Simply put, performance is where Vivo shows its true technological muscle. Now, the main attraction, point number 4, the camera. This is where the Vivo Drone Camera Phone becomes a true game changer. The highlight of the phone is its detachable 200 megapixels drone camera that can take off and capture photos or videos from unique aerial perspectives. The mini drone is equipped with 4 micro-propellers, obstacle detection sensors, and an AI tracking system. You can control it through gesture commands or the phone's app interface. It supports 8K video recording, 10x optical zoom, and a 360 degrees panoramic shooting mode. Imagine capturing your group photos without needing a selfie stick, or shooting cinematic scenes from above, all directly from your phone. The drone can hover at distances up to 15 meters and return safely to its dock automatically. The rear camera system also includes a 50 megapixels ultrawide lens and a 48 megapixels telephoto sensor for regular shooting, while the AI-powered image engine adjusts exposure, contrast, and focus in real time. Night photography is spectacular, with noise reduction algorithms that capture crisp, detailed shots even in low light. Vivo's V-Capture technology ensures that every drone shot remains stable and cinematic. It's not just a phone camera, it's a portable aerial studio in your pocket. Moving to point number 5, battery life. Despite housing a complex drone system, Vivo has managed to pack a massive 6,000 mAh battery into this phone. The dual-cell design ensures balanced power distribution between the phone and the drone module. The phone supports 120W wired fast charging and 60W wireless charging, meaning you can go from 0 to 100% in under 25 minutes. What's more, the drone module has a built-in micro battery that can recharge directly when docked. Vivo's intelligent power optimization learns your usage pattern and adjusts performance dynamically to maximize endurance. In real-world testing, the phone easily lasts more than a day of heavy use, including photography, gaming, and streaming. The efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, combined with Vivo's advanced battery AI management, ensures that you never have to worry about running out of power in the middle of your creative sessions. Whether you're shooting aerial footage or editing 8K videos, the Vivo Drone Camera Phone stays powered and ready. Next, point number 6, software and features. The phone runs on Vivo's latest FunTouch OS 15, based on Android 15. The interface is clean, minimal, and highly optimized for productivity and creativity. One of the most impressive features is the Drone Control Suite, a dedicated app that provides live aerial view, gesture control, and AI-assisted flight path options. You can predefine angles, orbit movements, or cinematic routes for professional-grade footage. Vivo has also included AI Scene Optimizer Pro, which automatically recognizes environments and adjusts color profiles for both the drone and standard cameras. Multitasking has never been smoother. Split screen, floating window, and extended desktop modes all work flawlessly. The haptic feedback feels refined, and system animations are fluid. You also get Vivo Shield, a next-gen security suite with on-device encryption and privacy dashboard. The integration between software and hardware is seamless, making the entire experience feel futuristic yet simple. Voice control, gesture navigation, and AI-powered task automation give the Vivo Drone Camera Phone an edge over most flagships in its category. Finally, point number 7, value for money. The Vivo Drone Camera Phone isn't just another premium device. It's a glimpse into the future of smartphone technology. Yes, it's priced at the higher end, but the innovation you get is unmatched. When you consider the cost of a professional drone, a flagship smartphone, and a high-end camera, the Vivo Drone Camera Phone combines all three into one compact device. It offers a one-of-a-kind experience that no other brand currently matches. The craftsmanship, performance, and sheer creativity of this phone justify its price. For content creators, vloggers, travelers, and tech enthusiasts, this phone isn't an expense, it's an investment in next-generation technology. Vivo has proven that it's not afraid to innovate beyond the norm, and that ambition alone makes it worth every penny. And now, to conclude, the Vivo Drone Camera Phone is not just another smartphone launch, it's the start of a new era in mobile innovation. With its breathtaking design, brilliant display, lightning-fast performance, and groundbreaking drone camera system, Vivo has created a device that breaks all boundaries. This phone gives creators the freedom to capture the world from new angles, while maintaining all the power and convenience of a flagship smartphone. It's bold, it's futuristic, and it's a symbol of how far smartphone technology has come. For those who dare to dream beyond limitations, the Vivo Drone Camera Phone is not just a choice, it's a statement. This is AppleLnsider, and that was our deep dive into the future of smartphones. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible tech insights, because the future is already flying right in front of us.